In this video, I'll show you how to use the IFERROR function from Microsoft Excel. Now, the IFERROR function, it is one of the logical functions, and it takes two parameters, the first one being a value, and the second one a parameter called value_if_error. And if you look at the description of the function, it says that it returns the value_if_error parameter if the expression, which is the first parameter that we provide, is an error, and the value of the expression itself otherwise. So in this case, this function takes an expression which is something like 10 divided by 2, and this returns 5 over here, but if we were to divide 10 by 0, it will get a div error, and for that we use the if error as a wrapper on this expression just to catch some potential error that we might get. So in here, instead of getting the value error or the div error, I will get this string of text that I've entered in here. And let me show you with this practical example how to use this function. I have this BMI formula in here, and I will try to convert it to Excel functions and use the IFERROR function to avoid the cases in here where I have missing parameters and the function will probably return an error. And for that, I'm writing IFERROR in cell B2. The value will be 84 divided by the function power, which takes the height to the power of 2. I'm closing the parentheses, and the value if error should be a string that says missing data. And when we hit enter for the first row, we get 29 because this expression in here evaluates exactly to 29.1. But if I drag the formula down over here to the fourth row, you can see that I'm getting missing data because the function is trying to divide this dash by this at the power of 2, and that returns the value error. And for that, I'm using the IFERROR function as a wrapper, and instead of getting an error, I'm getting something that I can control and that looks more professional in my report. Now, that's it. This is how I use the function. If you learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up and see you next time.